Understanding GSTR 9C for GST filing. GSTR 9C is an annual reconciliation statement that must be filed by taxpayers whose annual turnover exceeds 2 crores rupees during a financial year under the Goods and Services Tax (GST) regime in India. Key features of GSTR 9C. 1. Reconciliation statement. GSTR 9C is a reconciliation statement that taxpayers file along with their annual return, GSTR 9, to reconcile the data reported in their GST returns with the audited financial statements. 2. For large taxpayers. GSTR 9C is applicable to taxpayers whose annual turnover exceeds 2 crores rupees during a financial year. These taxpayers are required to submit the reconciliation statement certified by a chartered accountant, CA, or cost accountant, CMA. 3. Verification of GST data. Taxpayers compare the data reported in their GST returns, GSTR1, GSTR3B, etc., with the financial statements to ensure accuracy and consistency. 4. Certification by auditor. A chartered accountant, CA, or cost accountant, CMA, certifies the reconciliation statement after verifying the accuracy of the GST data and financial statements. 5. Disclosure of discrepancies. GSTR 9C requires taxpayers to disclose any discrepancies or differences identified during the reconciliation process and provide explanations for the same. 6. Additional information. Taxpayers may provide additional information or explanations related to the reconciled data, if necessary, to ensure clarity and transparency. Key sections in GSTR 9C. Part A. Basic details such as GSTIN, legal name, and trade name, if any, of the taxpayer. Part B. Certification details, including the name and membership number of the certifying auditor. Part C. Reconciliation of turnover declared in audited financial statements with turnover declared in annual return, GSTR 9. Part D. Reconciliation of tax paid as per audited financial statements with tax paid as per annual return, GSTR 9. Part E. Reconciliation of input tax credit, ITC, claimed in audited financial statements with ITC claimed in annual return, GSTR 9. Part F. Auditor's observations and findings, including any discrepancies or differences identified during the reconciliation process. Part G. Auditor's certification and declaration regarding the accuracy and completeness of the reconciliation statement. Benefits of GSTR 9C. Ensures accuracy and compliance, helps taxpayers ensure accuracy and compliance with GST regulations by reconciling GST data with audited financial statements. Enhances transparency, promotes transparency in the GST system by providing a mechanism for independent verification and certification of reconciliation statements by qualified auditors. Facilitates taxpayer confidence, increases taxpayer confidence in the accuracy and reliability of GST data and financial reporting.